this is my first review of a radio. But this is not just a radio, it's also an MP3 player, and will also play WMA files as well, and there's always an and it will record your voice and also record the radio station you're listening to, providing you put a memory card inside it, of course. I hope that's obvious. Well, it might not be to everyone, but yeah, you need a memory card to actually use it to do recording. You can actually record your own voice. You can record the radio station, apparently. I've not tried it, but apparently you can. This is from a company called Retekess, something like that, and it's a V115. And at the time of making this video, it cost around about £22. So it's not too expensive, considering what you're getting: radio, MP3 player, voice recorder, radio recorder. Yeah, get a lot for your money. So let's have a quick look around. So it does AMFMSW receiver. Line in, apparently you can put a microphone into it as well. Recording, like I said earlier, radio, TF card. You need a TF card, yes, for recording and for playing your MP3 files. So MP3 files and WMA files. Okay, so I'm going to get everything out and let's see what you get for your money. So we have the instructions. You might need them. USB to mini USB, and I know what the length is already. That is approximately 730mm, something like that. We have a 1000 milliamp battery, the type you get on phones, yeah, 1000 milliamp at 3.7 volts, and the radio itself. So a quick look around the radio. So you have a front facing speaker, looks okay, some buttons for saving your favourite stations, and I do believe you can save up to 100 stations, apparently. Not going to try it. We have a play, pause button, backward button, forward button. That would be for your MP3 player. And I also understand that these buttons here will also help you to tune it in, or tune in your radio stations. It will do searches, stuff like that. On-off button. Change it from FM to AM or shortwave. We have headphone socket, so you can just listen to it yourself. Line in, memory card, USB for charging, and aerial. Yeah. First impression looks, you know, very nice. It's only plastic. I wasn't expecting it to be, you know, made of gold or anything like that. Also, we have a mega base. See that on the back? Mega base. Right, let's put the battery in. Aerial. Don't forget you've got an aerial. Oh, and a wristband as well. Or wrist strap. This little baby here. What's that for? What's that do? Does that go in there? Oh, does that go in there? Oh, it does. Oh. Yeah, I wonder what that's for. Will that go in there as well? Yeah. Oh, very good. Well done, Yorkie. I don't know. Right, let's turn her on, shall we? So on, I'll get down for a few seconds. Oh, it says welcome. So we have, it's on single wave, or short wave, sorry, not single wave. I told you, this is my first radio review, first ever. So we're going to go over to FM. We're on FM. Right, when you first get it, you need to do a full scan. And from what I understand, you need to hold the play pause button down until it starts scanning it, and it will circle through all the radio stations on FM. That's what I understand. So we are going to do one right now. It will take a couple of minutes, so we'll skip this bit, okay? Right. Oh, let me turn the volume down a bit. Volume control. So someone talking, I have no idea what station it is, but while I was letting it go through the setting up of the first time, I had a little read of the instructions, and I'm going to show you, in case you need to know, how to save to the radio. Save the radio station to the radio, you know. So, for instance, if you like Radio 2, you might save that as number 1. Also, while I'm thinking about it, it does say on here, it will save 80 presets on FM, 60 on medium wave. I haven't got medium wave. Is that AM? And shortwave, 300. That's what it says. So you've got 80, 60 and 300. That's what it says on there. Apparently. Let's see if I've done it right. Right, I have already saved 2 just to test it out, but I haven't saved this one. It's just someone talking. Right, so what you need to do is hold the memory button down, which is number 5. And it flashes. Choose the number, so we're going to go for number 4. And then press play, pause. Do it again. Saved. Now I'm going to prove it to you. I'm going to press number 1 because that's Radio 2. Right, and then back to that radio station I just saved was number 4, wasn't it? See? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yeah, very easy to do. I wonder what that memo was for there. So yeah, I've also done one on number 2 as well. Would that go there quick if I press 2? Or press play? Anything on number 3? No, nothing on number 3. Number 4 again. Easy. Very easy. And the same with your, it'd be exactly the same if you go over to shortwave or if you go over to AM. So the way you go over to the different ones just by pressing the button. So if you're on FM and you want to go to AM, just press it again. Simple enough, isn't it, really? You know, you should be able to understand that, basics. So that's how easy it is. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give myself a memory card, put some music on it, and we're going to stick the memory card in. So give me a few seconds while I set it all up. Right, so I put a memory card in it with copyright-free music just to test it out. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to go over to the MP3 player, part of it, and it's quite easy to do. Also, I'm going to do a voice recording using the onboard microphone, just again to show you how it's all done. And then I'm going to show you the settings because we haven't gone through the settings, have we? I'm just going to show you the settings, how to navigate through it, how easy it is, and yeah, I'll get on with it, shall I? So I'm on the radio at the moment, it's on FM radio. Now to switch it over to MP3, all you got to do is press mode. There you go, straight in. And it's playing Christmas music. Like I said, this is copyright-free music. Let's skip that one. Now if you want to skip anything, it's that button there, but if you want to fast forward it, you need to hold the button in. One of the things I liked about the MP3 player is the little graph at the bottom. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I'm sure someone's going to say, well, how loud can it go? So we're going to whack it up to full volume. I do apologise if you're in a quiet place, you might want to mute or turn the volume down. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hang on, bit more. Goes up to 32 on the volume and it vibrates. I can actually feel it vibrating. Must be the subwoofer. And I can see the speaker moving as well. I don't know if you could see that, but yeah. Go next tune. Quite like this one. Sound quality for the amount of money it costs is quite good. Yeah, I'm quite impressed actually. Right, let's pause that. Right, so pause that. Now then, let's do a voice recording, okay? So all you have to do is press record, but you have to hold it in for a few seconds. Right, so now it should be recording my voice. And it says it's recording. There's a timer up there, so it should, hopefully, fingers crossed, be recording. So stop that. Yeah, done. Right, so now it should be recording my voice. And it says it's recording. There's a timer up there, so it should, hopefully, fingers crossed, be recording. So stop that. Right, so if you want to delete that, so let me pause that. If you want to delete it, all you have to do is press the delete button. Hold it in again. Press OK, which is the pause play button. I know I left it too long. It should be. Let me stop that. Press that to OK, and it's deleted. So it goes back to the music because there's nothing on the recording part of it now. So easy enough to do. Yeah, very easy. No issues with that whatsoever. Right, menu. I didn't show you the menu. So menu, okay? Just press the menu. So we have auto power on, and if you want to scroll up or down, it's the forward or the back button. And when you get to whatever part you want to change, like the language, recording setup, you press play pause button. Yeah, quality of recordings, what I've set it on, but it might have super record, you know, things like that, or simple record. I'm setting it for quality recording. So just press that and that's done. It goes back to the MP3 or whatever you was listening to at the time. Right, let's go back to menu again, because there's other things on there. So you've got contrast, backlight time, so how long the light stays on for. Let's increase that, shall we? So it's 15 seconds at the moment, so what's it go up to? Light off. Okay, light always on, 5 seconds, 10, 15. I'm going to set it for 20. And that's it. Really easy to use. Navigation is, in my opinion, a breeze. Very easy. Once you get your head around it, of course. You know, you might think, oh, that looks very complicated. But I will read the instructions or watch this video. It's that simple. So what do I think about it? For what it costs, very impressive. Yeah, without a doubt. I'm very impressed because the quality of sound is, you know, in my opinion, very good, considering how small it is. Easy to navigate, easy to set up, easy to save a station as a favourite, as I showed you earlier. Very easy. MP3 players, you plug and play really. Put an MP3 card in there, or, you know, a TF card. Put a card in there and make sure it's got MP3s on it, or WMAs. Is it WMAs? You know what I mean. Wave format. Put that in and flick over to mode and it should work. Not sure what the lock button does. I'm going to leave that one open, right? Or locked. I'm not going to try and explain it. I could quickly read the book and tell you, but I'm going to leave that one alone. Hopefully you'll tell me in the chat. Let me know. Let me know if you know what that's for, because like I said, I could find out, but I'm not going to. So with that, definitely gets my thumbs up. Yeah, very pleased with it. Definitely gets my thumbs up. Let me know in the comments whether it gets your thumbs up, or give me the thumbs up if you like this video. If you didn't like this video, you know what to do. And please subscribe. It does help the channel to grow, and it helps me to carry on making videos like this and other products that I get. It was all down to you people watching my videos. If you find that I'm doing something wrong, or you don't like the way I do things, let me know again in the comments. You know, I will try and change it, or change the way I do my videos, so that they're more acceptable to the wider audience. Does that make sense? I think that does, doesn't it? So with that, if you like this video, like I said, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.